Now in the chapter of statistical diagram, let's take a look at dot diagram. Okay, how we express our dot diagrams? Okay, this is an example that I've shown you previously, right? So again, okay, I will do the same thing as what the example has given for the first part, which is to represent my data on a dot diagram, right? So I will have this as my time taken in minutes. Can you see? Okay, exactly what we have over here, right? So what I'll do is I'll have, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Right, how many ones do I have? I circle them in blue, so it's easier for me to count, okay? So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, then I'll use red color to do 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 or so. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then for 3, I will use green. Okay, 3 I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 4, I have gray. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 5, I will have highlight yellow. So 1, 2. Okay, so therefore I will have 1, 2. Then what else do I have? Okay, please there's another 7, right? So please write 6 and 7. Okay, don't put just 7, right? So you have 1, 7 over here, which is 1. Okay, so total how many you see? There is 3 over here, right? And how many is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There is 10. So obviously, you know, 10 times 3 total will give you 30. Okay, so this is your data on a dot diagram. Now part 2, what are the most common times? Okay, so most common times, you just look across which is the highest. You'll say 1 minute and 2 minutes. Okay, alright, so part 3, find the percentage of students who took at most 30 minutes to read a passage. So is 3 counted? Yes. Okay, so at most, so you'll say percentage of students, alright, who take lesser or equal to 3 minutes. Correct or not? At least 3, at most 3 minutes, not at least, at most. Okay, so they won't take up more than 3 minutes, which means this is 9 plus 9 plus 4 over 30 times 100%. Can you see what I'm doing here? Okay, so I'll just press in my calculator. 9 plus 9 plus 4 over 30 multiplied by 100%. This should give you a 73.1 over 3%, which is 73.3. Okay, right, then let's take a look at part 4. Briefly describe the distribution of data. Now let's take a look at the example that I've given you. How do you actually, describe the data over here? Okay, I always ask you, alright, when you are asked to comment on the dot diagram, you always talk about cluster, right? So you will say that, okay, based on the data, right, there is a cluster of students who took 1 and 2 minutes to read a passage. Okay, so there is a cluster of students who took 1 and 2 minutes to read a passage. So that is basically a description.